How to log in Viber with different account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process in which you can log in into Viber with multiple accounts on the same device. It's super easy, so now without further ado, let's get started. So the first step is to check if your phone has the dual app feature. To do this, simply go to your settings and from there simply tap on the search bar and search for the dual app by typing on it and tapping on the search icon in the keyboard menu. And as you can see, the dual app is available in this device, so I'm gonna simply tap on it, and by tapping on it, here you will see a list of apps installed on your phone. Simply find the Viber from the list, or you can simply tap on the search bar and search for the Viber app, and once you have found that, simply toggle the switch next to it to enable the dual app feature. And once that's done, your device will create a second version of the Viber app. Now you can find this second app on the home screen of the device. Now open the second Viber app and you can follow the on-screen instruction to log in with an additional account, and this will be completely separate from the original account. And that's it. Now you have two different accounts running on the same device. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.